My name is Leroy Costner with the Umansky Law Firm. Recently I had the pleasure of representing my client, Mr. Winston Berteau, and he was charged with fleeing and attempting to elude out in Seminole County. And the facts of his case were unique to say the least. So we were retained, we went through the pretrial motions, depositions, and ended up in trial. And after a day and a half of trial, the jury came back with a not guilty verdict.
I work with the Umansky Law Firm on a different case, a previous one along the same lines where I was mistakenly arrested for another charge, but they didn't get to represent me properly because the state dropped the charges before you could get a hold of it. But I just went with you again, you know, since you was already going to motion for dismissal anyways due to the fact and circumstances. So, you know, it was a seamless process this time around. You know, the charges didn't get dropped like I wanted them to, but you know, we wrote it out to the end, and you know, you helped me prove my innocence, you know, and I appreciate that. Thank you.
I was pleased to be part of that process.
Vanessa was good. She was really good. She always was on top and was able to answer the questions whenever you know, we spoke and anything like that. She kept me very well informed in the loop. So I mean, I very rarely had any questions in regards to the whole process. So everything was pretty good. So you know, I get to keep my gun license now. I get to keep my driver's license. I don't have a stain on my record for something that I was no part of. So it's liberating to, you know, now be just free of all of the worry of you know, being judged by your peers for something that you didn't do. So it's a big load off your chest and shoulders. I do wholeheartedly appreciate the Umansky Law Firm and Mr. Leroy Costner and legal assistant Vanessa with their assistance in all of this. You know, made this process seamlessly. You know, just as even though it's this mind-boggling experience, you know, they kind of ease the stress with their professionalism, and I'm really appreciative of the outcome of it.